Hello guys. Umgozi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, today I woke up to this story. This is so disturbing and it's so painful being a mother. Like yo guys, it's very painful. Take this as if it was your child. Like, don't take it as like mntwana lomunye somewhere, even if you don't know them, but we all feel the pain. I say guys, let us strive, let us fight. City justice for Cwecwe, justice for the little girl. May lo muntu lo yendele sigameko lesi to the child abanjwe aboshwe. Guys, let's all go out, sign a petition and let the school principal be arrested. Guys, we cannot go to send abantwana bethu to etikolweni where we think abantwana bethu are safe etikolweni nabotishera, while ngendzawo lebangekho safe khona, that is where abantwana bethu they are going to be raped. Guys, let's all sign the petition for the little girl to get justice. Justice for the baby girl, justice for the girl, justice for all the young Cwecwes out there abazali baba bangakhulumi, and those who are being kept quiet, nalabo abavaliswe imlomo by other people. Justice for all of them. Guys, let us all fight for this issue ukuthi ibe solved. Justice for bonke bantwana who have been raped by teachers, pastors or anyone. Justice for all of them. Thank you guys for listening. Bye bye.